Hi everyone, it's Emilia here. Welcome to my new video. Today I will be altering a frame which I'm going to decorate and make for a baby boy. The frame I have, it's a second-hand frame I bought in the second-hand shop, of course. And I'm just going to decorate it. It has 4 little windows. I'm going to 4 little places where you can have the pictures. I'm going to keep 2 and 2 I'm going to decorate. For decorating I will be using Baby Boom collection from Lemoncraft. It has so many beautiful elements that you can cut out, perfect for a baby theme project, and also I will add few other embellishments. So I was lucky that the frame is white, but if it wouldn't be, I would use just white gesso or white acrylic paint to paint it before decorating. It has a lovely, like a house shape with birds on the top, and I'm going to create one composition on the top of the frame near the birds, and then on the window nearest to the nest, and then a little composition on the opposite window. So I have removed glasses from those 2 places, 2 little squares, because I'm going to attach elements to the paper and to the frame. I also have some die cuts here, some flowers. These are handmade flowers by me. I have leaves, chipboard elements, pieces of lace, twine. I will also later add a little bit of glitter and of course white acrylic paint. You just look for the elements in similar colors, some small pieces that could be good for the baby theme project. I'm sure you have a lot of stuff in your craft rooms, and I'm sure that you can use many of the elements to create a similar project. All pretty images are cut out of the Baby Boom 6 by 12 pad. Inside you will find the pictures for a boy, for a girl, flowers, leaves. There is so many elements to cut out and to create a lovely project. Recently I have made an exploding box with similar images because these are great for card making, scrapbooking, and to make exploding boxes. If you want to see, check my Instagram page, you will see the project there. So I will be playing for a while with the elements I have on my desk. For some I will be using double-sided tape before attaching to the project. I also have some like leftovers from my previous makes. I always try to use as much as I can, even if I have little elements left from the project. I usually keep them for the next one. Okay, and I think I will play some music for you so you can see what I will be, how I will be putting everything together, and then you will hear me at the end of the video. Before I go, I would just want to invite you to visit Lemoncraft Facebook page, Instagram, or Lemoncraft Inspiration group on Facebook. You can share your project with Lemoncraft products there. And on the Lemoncraft social media pages, you will find amazing inspirations. Hope you will like the video. Talk to you later. I thought my frame is finished when I decided to extend the composition in the left bottom corner. So I added few more flowers and leaves and then few last steps to finish my frame. So I'm going to add little pebbles, micro beads, whatever you call them. These are just polystyrene balls, but I know that you can buy the beads or pebbles in various sizes. I'm using gel medium to attach them. Gel medium is very strong adhesive. It will keep them in place. And then I'm also going to add a little bit of glitter. Of course, if you don't like glitter, don't add it. Mine is called Glamour Dust. I really like it. It's a very fine glitter in white with very fine pieces of other colors. And then I'm going to add just clear glitter. And the last step will be to add some white paint splats. You can, of course, skip these steps. You can have nice and clean project. I do like to add splashes to my projects, so I'm using very small brush. I mix white acrylic paint with the water and then just go on the project. It is good to cover areas like photos, areas where you don't want to have the splats. And then this will be it for today. I'm in love with that frame. I really like it, and I hope you will like it too, and maybe it will give you an idea to create something similar. Let me know in the comment if you will use the tutorial to create your project. Please tag me on social media, Emilia Sieradzan. Thank you very much for today, for watching. Have a lovely creative day. Bye bye!